We are Red Redemption, and our goal? To create an easy-to-use, low-cost, portable mechanical ventilator. COVID-19 revealed the need for greater access to mechanical ventilators. Mechanical ventilators are medical devices that assist patients with inhalation and exhalation and provide proper oxygenation and carbon dioxide removal.
Our design uses a motor connected to a dual rack and pinion system. This rack and pinion system has two 3D printed paddles attached at the end of the racks to squeeze a bag valve mask.
The rack and pinion system was the perfect solution to drastically cutting down the size of the ventilator compared to the more traditional low-cost ventilators, which uses a gear system. The DC motor is controlled by a RoboClaw motor controller connected to a Raspberry Pi 3B+. The Raspberry Pi takes in the sensor data and runs the GUI and motor controls programs. Our ventilator utilizes two differential pressure sensors. One is connected to a variable orifice flow meter to measure flow, and the other is used to measure the lung pressure.
The most critical ventilator calculations can be calculated from these two sensors: PEEP, IE ratio, compliance, respiratory rate, tidal volume, and minute ventilation. A motor encoder was also used as feedback to prevent the motor from drifting.
Finally, an easy-to-use touchscreen user interface allows medical professionals to easily monitor the patient and adjust ventilator settings.